Assalamualaikum. Following previous lecture, we'll discuss now force between two current carrying conductors. If two current carrying conductors are close to each other, their magnetic field combines. If two wires carrying an electric current and either direction, their magnetic field combines. Since S wire is located in the magnetic field of another wire, because S can carry conductors creates its own magnetic field. It is determined by the right hand grip rule. The curved fingers points towards the direction of the current and the curved finger shows the direction of the magnetic field. So S wire is located in the magnetic field of another wire and experiences a force. So S wire is located in the magnetic field of another wire and experiences a force. Now we'll see the direction of the force. If like current, these were magnetic field by right hand grip rule, so this wire, in this case, I will determine the direction of the force on this conductor by Fleming left hand rule. Fleming left hand rule. Index finger field, middle finger current, and thumb finger will show the direction of the force. So in this case, this finger will direction of the force into the board, and this finger will show the conventional current, and the thumb finger shows the direction of the force in this direction. This wire magnetic field direction will be by right hand grip rule. So this wire experiences a force because this wire sits in the magnetic field of this wire. So by Fleming left hand rule, we will get the direction of the force. So the thumb finger the index finger points toward the magnetic field direction, and the thumb the force direction. Sorry. The direction. Sorry, the direction will be out of the page. Sorry, the direction will be out of the page. Sorry, out of the board. So the thumb finger points toward, the index finger points toward the direction of the magnetic field, and the middle finger points toward the currents, and the thumb finger shows the direction of the force. So like current, we have seen the like current, attracts. The like current attracts. This wire sits in the magnetic field of this wire, and the direction by right hand rule, it the thumb finger points toward the current, and the current finger shows the direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field direction out of the, like this. So like current attracts. And if times are unlike, if it goes upwards and it goes downwards, then by rule it will repeat. It also seen by Fleming left hand rule, right hand grip rule. We see this where magnetic field direction is like this, and this wire sits in the magnetic field of this wire. So by Fleming left hand rule, this wire, the index finger shows the direction of the into the board, and thumb finger points toward, and the middle finger points towards the direction of the current, and the thumb finger shows the direction of the force, this direction. And this wire sits in the magnetic field of this wire, and by right hand rule, this wire sits in the magnet, this. So by Fleming left hand rule, the index finger shows the direction of the E and the direction of the field, and middle finger shows the direction of the current, and the thumb finger shows the force in this direction. So unlike currents, repeat. And now we'll see where field is strongest and where field is smaller, lower. Unlike current repels, so stronger field between the midpoint stronger field between the midpoint, the stronger the field. The stronger the field. If light currents midpoint lower field. Stronger field exists far left, far right. So if two wires are close to each other, then each wire sits in the magnetic field of another wire, so the each wire experiences a force because each wire sits in the magnetic field of another wire. And the field direction, the force direction can be determined by the Fleming left-hand rule, where the thumb finger will show the direction of the force. And if the current flowing in the same direction is called like currents, then they were attracts, and if unlike currents, if current flows opposite direction, they will repel.